So I usually start my day with a bread and butter because that is something that boosts my body for a continuous study. After that, a very important thing that everyone should do is that to make a to-do list before starting your study. And while making your to-do list, you should remember that there should not be a lot many tasks jotted over there, because at the end of the day, if you're unable to complete that, then you'll regret. So here I am copying down the diagram, and while doing so, I'm using colorful pens because that makes it very attractive. Now, after revising the work given in the online class, I am assessing myself by doing a DPP of physics. This definitely boosts my confidence and sharpen my concepts. Practicing physics question by making diagram always give you an edge over the others. Wait a minute. Before we proceed further, I have something for you. Check out my website. The link is in the description. Click on the class 11 section. Click on MTG book of biology and check out this book. This book contains a lot many questions for practicing biology. It is for both +1 and +2. So check it out now. While reading my notes, I always pinpoint my finger or pen over that line. This really helps. To enhance my immunity, I take vitamin C tablets. The link is in the description. Go and check it out. I have kept this beautiful and a cute snake plant besides my table. I practice my biology stuff by drawing diagrams on my whiteboard Reading NCRT is a must, whether you are preparing for your board exams or any other competitive exam. Don't miss out the graphs and the diagrams given alongside the text. My most favorite job of all day is to water these plants and to spend some time with them. I read one chapter each week of my current favorite book by Ruskin Bond, The Blue Umbrella. It's a very, very interesting book written in a very